Okay, we're gonna do an unboxing of the Altel Hue 2 by Samsung. It's pretty decent mid-range device for Altel service. It has a 2 megapixel camera with video messaging, MP3 player, cell top ready. It's stereo. It has stereo Bluetooth, expandable memory slot, and changeable faceplates, and it supports up to 32 gigabytes. This box contains a phone, a user manual, standard lithium-ion battery, travel charger, stereo headset, and changeable faceplates. So let's do the You get your pretty thickish manual, but it comes in 2 languages. Covers the basics, but no one reads that. A little flyer for Altel navigation, product applications flyer. Then you get your headset, 3.5mm. It's Samsung headphones. You get your phone, changeable faceplates, your phone, paper bag, and you get your proprietary Samsung wall charger. Here's the phone, Altel Hue with the blue faceplate. Got your 3 music buttons: play, forward, and back. Your 1" by 1" full color display, 2 megapixel camera. Side you got your volume rocker, your charging port. You got your microphone port, your micro SD card port. Camera / speakerphone button, and your 3.5mm headphone jack. And just to note that these little hatches are hard to take out. Afraid I'm gonna break them. On the back you have your speaker. Then you open it, you got your 800 milliamp battery. So when you open it up, you're greeted with pretty big display. You got your decent buttons, your pretty big number buttons, but it's good for texting. Still a slim phone, just like the original phone was. So that's pretty good. Let's turn it on. It's blurry. Change the settings. Oh. And now you can also see it on the front. So it has, when you have it closed, it has a clock display. So it shows you the clock, the date, and what day it is. Then you have your how much service you have, your loud settings, your digital status, your Bluetooth, and your power or your battery power. When you open it, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but what's happening? Oh, I got a text message already. But okay, pretty standard layout here. You can change the setting to black and white. You have music player, say ringtones. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Samsung Hue 2 from Altel. This will run you without contract $219, and depending on the contract you get, because they have the 1-year contract and the 2-year contract, depending on what contract you get, you can probably get it cheaper, or if you buy it used. So yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing of the Samsung Hue 2. Thank you.